If someone told you, don't put all your eggs in one basket, would you know what they're actually saying?
Or if your boss said, let's touch base next week.
Welcome to Fluent English Cafe. I'm Tony.
And I'm Anna. Before we jump into today's 20 idioms, I have to share something. Max is sleeping here in the cafe right now. He's been dreaming and his little legs are twitching. I think he's chasing something.
Is Max having a good dream, or is he having a nightmare about you using idioms on him?
Honestly, I've been practicing these idioms all week. He's probably dreaming in idioms by now.
Stop putting all your bones in one basket, Max.
Exactly. But seriously, Max is our unofficial third host now. He's been with me through every episode recording. He sleeps through most of it, but sometimes he wakes up and looks at me like, are you still talking about prepositions?
That's the look I give you sometimes, too.
Okay. First things first. For anyone who's not sure, what exactly is an idiom?
Good question. An idiom is a group of words that together mean something different from the individual words themselves.
So if someone says, it's raining cats and dogs, they don't mean animals are falling from the sky.
That would be terrifying. They just mean it's raining very heavily.
Right. So today we're teaching you 20 idioms that native speakers use constantly, but textbooks never explain.
These aren't the idioms you learned in school. These are the ones you hear at work, in conversations, in movies, the ones that make you think, wait, what does that actually mean?
And here's why this matters. When you understand idioms, you don't just understand the words, you understand the culture. You understand how people actually think and communicate.
If you want to speak English naturally and understand native speakers better, subscribe to our channel now so you don't miss any of the amazing English learning videos coming your way.
All right, let's jump in. Tony, what's the first one?
First idiom, the ball is in your court.
Oh, this one confused me for so long when I first heard it. I kept looking around like, what ball? What court?
I did the same thing. I thought someone lost their tennis ball.
So for anyone who's been confused like us, it means it's your turn to make a decision or take action. Like in tennis, the ball is on your side. You have to do something with it.
Example, your boss might say, I've given you all the information. Now the ball is in your court.
Or in a negotiation, we made our offer. The ball is in your court now.
Basically, it's your move, your decision. And honestly, I use this one at least once a week.
Next one, touch base.
I hear this one all the time at work. My manager says it in every single email.
Same. I think it's in their contract. Touch base means to contact someone briefly to check in or get an update. It comes from baseball. You touch the base to be safe.
Example, let's touch base next week to see how the project is going.
Or, I need to touch base with the team before we finalize anything.
It's casual, it's professional, very common in business English. Although the first time I heard it, I thought someone was talking about touching actual bases.
I'm sorry, what are we touching?
Exactly. Number 3, get the ball rolling.
This means to start something or get things moving.
Right. Example, let's get the ball rolling on this new campaign.
Or, who wants to get the ball rolling? Any volunteers?
It's about starting things. I have to use this one every Monday morning.
Do you though, or do you just say it?
Haha, okay, I just say it, but it sounds good.
It does sound good. Okay, number 4, cut to the chase.
I love this one. It means skip the small talk and get to the main point.
It comes from old movies where they would cut from a boring scene to an exciting chase scene.
Example, I don't have much time. Can you cut to the chase?
Or, let me cut to the chase. We need to talk about your performance.
It's direct but not rude. It just means let's focus on what matters. I use this when Anna's telling me a really long story.
My stories are not long.
Anna, last week you told me a story about going to the grocery store that lasted 15 minutes.
It was an important grocery store trip.
Did you buy milk?
Yes.
That's all I needed to know.
Okay, fine. Point taken.
Number 5, on the same page.
This means everyone understands and agrees about something.
Example, before we start, let's make sure we're all on the same page.
Or, I thought we were on the same page about the deadline.
It's about agreement, making sure everyone has the same understanding.
Okay, everyone, quick pause. We've covered 5 idioms so far. Here's a challenge for you.
I like challenges.
Pick one of the idioms we just talked about. The ball is in your court, touch base, get the ball rolling, cut to the chase, or on the same page. And write your own sentence in the comments.
Yes, we want to see what you come up with, and we'll read them.
We read every comment, so drop your sentence below and let's see who can use these idioms naturally.
All right, back to the list. Number 6, read between the lines.
This one's interesting. It means to understand something that's not directly said.
You're looking for the hidden meaning.
Example, she said the meeting was fine, but if you read between the lines, she was frustrated.
Or, you have to read between the lines when talking to him. He never says what he really means.
It's about understanding the unspoken message. I'm terrible at this, by the way.
You are. You really are.
I am not.
Someone will say, I'm fine, and you'll say, great, and then later find out they were not fine.
Okay, that's happened a few times.
You need to work on reading between the lines.
I'm working on it.
Number 7, up in the air.
This means something is not decided yet. It's uncertain.
Example, our vacation plans are still up in the air.
Or, the project timeline is up in the air right now.
Nothing is confirmed, it's all uncertain, like Max's dinner time.
Max's dinner time is not uncertain. It's 5 p.m. exactly. He reminds me.
How does he remind you?
He stares at me, then looks at his bowl, then stares at me again, then sighs really loud.
That's not up in the air, that's very scheduled.
Very scheduled. Okay, number 8, bite the bullet.
This means to do something difficult or unpleasant that you've been avoiding.
It comes from old times when soldiers would bite on a bullet during surgery without anything for the pain.
Example, I know you don't want to have that conversation, but you need to bite the bullet.
Or, I finally bit the bullet and quit my job.
You face something hard even though you don't want to. I had to bite the bullet last week and call my landlord about the broken AC.
Was it hard?
I hate phone calls, especially in English. I prepared for like an hour.
Did it go okay?
It went fine. It always goes fine, but I still have to bite the bullet every time.
That's so relatable.
Number 9, hit the nail on the head.
This means you said something exactly right.
Example, you hit the nail on the head. That's exactly the problem.
Or, when she said we need better communication, she really hit the nail on the head.
It's like perfect accuracy. You did this last week, actually.
I did?
We were talking about why people weren't watching our videos until the end, and you said, we need to get to the point faster, and I realized you were exactly right.
I did hit the nail on the head.
You did. Don't let it go to your head.
Too late.
Number 10, back to the drawing board.
This means you have to start over because your plan didn't work.
Example, the client rejected our proposal. Back to the drawing board.
Or, this design isn't working. I guess it's back to the drawing board.
You start fresh with a new approach. This happened to me last month with a client.
Oh, the one you worked on for weeks?
Weeks. And they said, this isn't what we're looking for. I had to go back to the drawing board.
That's painful.
It is. But sometimes starting over is better than forcing something that doesn't work.
True.
Number 11, piece of cake.
This means something is very easy.
Example, that exam was a piece of cake.
Or, don't worry, the interview will be a piece of cake.
Simple, no problem. Easy. Although the first time I heard this, I was really confused.
Why?
Someone said the test was a piece of cake, and I thought, what does cake have to do with anything? Did they eat during the test?
That's amazing.
I was looking for the cake.
Did you find it?
No, there was no cake. Number 12, spill the beans.
This means to tell a secret or share information you weren't supposed to share.
Example, come on, spill the beans. What happened at the party?
Or, someone spilled the beans about the surprise party.
The secret is out. My sister is terrible at keeping secrets. She always spills the beans.
Really?
every time. Don't tell anyone, but... And then she tells everyone.
That's not keeping a secret.
I know. I've stopped telling her things. Number 13. Let the cat out of the bag.
This is similar to spill the beans. It means to accidentally tell a secret.
Example, I accidentally let the cat out of the bag about their engagement.
Or don't let the cat out of the bag before the announcement.
The difference is this one is usually by accident. With my sister, it's not an accident. She just can't stop talking.
That's intentional at that point.
Exactly. Number 14. Under the weather.
This means you feel sick or not well.
Example, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today.
Or she stayed home because she was under the weather.
It's a polite way to say you're not feeling great. Max was under the weather last week, actually.
Oh no, what happened?
He ate something he shouldn't have. He was very dramatic about it.
Dogs are so dramatic.
He lay on his bed and sighed every 5 minutes, like, I'm dying, please witness my suffering.
Did he get better?
He got better as soon as I opened a bag of treats.
Of course.
Number 15, cost an arm and a leg.
This means something is very expensive.
Example, that new car cost him an arm and a leg.
Or, this apartment costs an arm and a leg, but it's worth it.
It's just a way to say it's really expensive. My rent costs an arm and a leg.
Same, and also maybe a foot.
Right? But what can you do? Number 16, break the ice.
This means to start a conversation or make people feel more comfortable in a new situation.
Example, he told a joke to break the ice at the meeting.
Or, let's play a game to break the ice.
You make the atmosphere less awkward. I'm terrible at breaking the ice.
You're not terrible, you just talk too much.
That's my method. Just keep talking until the awkwardness goes away.
Does it work?
No, it makes it worse. Number 17, see eye to eye.
This means to agree with someone.
Example, we don't always see eye to eye, but we respect each other.
Or, my boss and I see eye to eye on this issue.
You have the same opinion. Max and I see eye to eye on treats.
What's the opinion?
Treats are good. More treats are better.
Very aligned.
Number 18, the elephant in the room.
This is a big problem that everyone knows about, but nobody wants to talk about.
Example, let's address the elephant in the room. We're behind schedule.
Or, nobody mentioned the elephant in the room during the meeting.
It's the obvious issue everyone is avoiding. We had an elephant in the room last week.
What was it?
Our video views were down and nobody wanted to talk about it.
We're talking about it now.
Now we are, after avoiding it for a week. Number 19, go the extra mile.
This means to do more than what's expected.
Example, she always goes the extra mile for her clients.
Or, if you want a promotion, you need to go the extra mile.
You put in extra effort. Max goes the extra mile when it comes to begging.
How so?
He doesn't just sit there. He does this thing where he puts his head on your knee and looks up with these huge eyes. It's next level.
That's advanced begging.
It's award-winning. And our final one, number 20, call it a day.
This means to stop working for the day.
Example, we've done enough. Let's call it a day.
Or, it's 6 p.m. I'm calling it a day.
You're finished for today. I'm about to call it a day right now, actually.
Same. Max called it a day about 3 hours ago.
Is he still sleeping?
He hasn't moved. I think he's part of the furniture now.
Living his best life.
All right, Tony, let's do a quick recap. We covered 20 idioms today.
From the ball is in your court to call it a day.
These aren't just phrases to memorize. These are expressions you'll hear all the time in real English conversations.
And here's the most important thing. Don't try to learn all 20 at once.
Pick 2 or 3 that you think you'll actually use. Practice them in your own sentences. Try to use them this week.
That's how idioms become natural, not by studying them, but by using them.
And if you haven't already, go back to the comments and write that sentence we asked for earlier. We really do read them.
We do. Anna reads them, Max reads them. I pretend to read them.
You do not.
I read them too, I promise.
If you want more lessons like this, subscribe to Fluent English Cafe. We release new episodes every week.
Thanks for listening. I'm Tony.
I'm Anna.
And Max says bye too.
See you next time.